Guys, welcome to Fish Hook Outdoors. We are over here at a grocery store, and as you guys know, it's coronavirus time, and we are taking all precautions when we come into the store. There's hardly anybody here because it's closing time. I got my gloves on. I'm just trying to be careful. But anyway, we're just trying to come up with some fun videos and bring them to you guys because I know everybody's stuck at home. But anyway, today we're going to be making bacon wrapped shrimp, and we've got our grocery list, and it's only 6 ingredients, believe it or not, and we're going to start shopping for those and just have a good time. So let's get started.
All right, here we go.
All right, guys, so we're at our first ingredient, bacon. We found organic, Applegate, no sugar, uncured bacon.
You know what? We'll buy the vegetables. Let's see if we've got any. Yep, we have scallions right here. Oh, yeah. Organic green scallions. Got it.
Perfect.
Love it. And very reasonable, too. Only $1.29. Awesome. Pretty good.
Maple syrup, organic maple syrup. Here we go. Sprouts organic maple syrup. Excellent. We got it.
Chili powder.
Chili powder.
Really, that's it, right?
That's it. Let's go. So we got the chili powder. So let's get started.
All right, guys. I got the goods. We're done. We've got everything we need. So we're headed to the kitchen now, and we're going to get this show on the road.
All right, guys, welcome back to the kitchen. We're home now, and we're getting started. And I am peeling these gorgeous jumbo shrimp right here. We're leaving the tail on. Absolutely. And I'm putting it in this bowl right here. I'm also gonna go ahead and chop up the garnish with the scallions.
All right, guys, we've got beautiful Gulf shrimp with the tails on. Amy just finished peeling them. We got nice fresh scallion, and that's organic scallion, and organic thick sliced bacon. We've got organic maple syrup. We've got some chili powder here. Everything is organic, and we've got organic butter melted. Now I'm gonna get this mixture all mixed up. Then Amy's, we're gonna wrap these in bacon, and then Amy's gonna go ahead and put them in the pan and baste them with this goodness. So let's get started here. Oh man. Oh, I like this. Oh yeah, it does. That's right. That's it. So we're just gonna mix that up. Yeah. It's just a little bit of chili powder, but guys, you can do as much as you want. If you guys really want them hot, raise the temperature. Have at it.
All right, so we're wrapping the shrimp in bacon, and then I'm going to put a toothpick on to hold it. I remember when I was a little girl, my mom used to wrap hot dogs with bacon and stick them under the broiler with cheese in the middle. So this kind of takes me back to my healthy childhood. There we go. This is so easy. What an easy low-carb meal to make. Only 6 ingredients.
We've got this pan all basted with olive oil, and I'm going to get these over here for her, and then she's going to baste these beauties. Okay, what do we got here, hon?
All right, we have our lovely mixture with the maple syrup, chili powder, and butter. Let's go ahead and baste these lovely shrimps and bacon.
All right, we got it ready to put in the oven now. Oven has hit temperature at 400 degrees. Here we go. Check this out, guys. Is that not delicious? We're gonna let these cook for just a little bit. And again, as usual, all the instructions and recipe will be in the links below. They are almost ready to come out.
All right, our shrimp are ready to come out of the oven. They smell so good.
Let's take a look at these beauties. Oh my goodness. this. Look at this, guys. Well, honey, I think the moment of truth has arrived.
All right, scallions for garnish. Look how beautiful that looks with the green. Are you ready to try this?
Oh, I'm ready to chow down.
Here we go.
Absolutely.
You get the first one.
Oh, in fact, I'm just going to use the fork.
All right.
Let's get the toothpick. Try the tail.
Oh, the maple syrup. So good. Mmm.
Look at
You just
that,
have to
guys.
make this.
Is this not delicious? This is a dish fit for a king. Simple bacon and shrimp and scallions and some sweet and a little bit of hot. The chili is good. You don't even really feel the tang.
But the maple syrup did that trick. I love these. So great. Good job.
Excellent. I want to show everybody just how beautiful this looks. Look at that. Is that not a beautiful picture? Yeah. It's another home run, honey. What do you think?
Yes.
Oh, I'm definitely going to get a spoon later and dip that sauce and just load this up. But maple syrup did the trick. Very good. Maple syrup, something sweet with bacon. It's just outrageous. Well, guys, here you have it. Shrimp wrapped in delicious bacon. Oh yeah, this is a meal fit for a king. Real simple ingredient, didn't cost us a lot of money, but I can guarantee you everything that we put in here was fresh. With the exception of the bacon, we had to get it from the store, and the scallion is fresh, organic, and the delicious shrimp came right out of the Gulf. It was fresh. So, guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this. This is a quick, easy meal to do. Change the whole atmosphere in the home. Everybody is so being bombarded with this coronavirus and stuff, but we're past that, we're above that, and we're going to make it through that, and we're going to do it on an eating theme. We're going to eat good, and we're going to have fun with that. So we've got more exciting videos like this coming. Thanks so much. If you're new to the channel, why don't you hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you part of Fish Hook Outdoors. So from Amy and I to your family, have a wonderful week, a safe one, and we're going to get through this. And we'll see you on the next one.